Hello guys, it's John there from TechSpace, and today we are going to be unboxing our new safety gear for riding our electric scooters and motorbikes. Let's get into it. Guys, so finally we can unbox all of our safety gear for riding electric scooters and our bikes. We have really waited a long time for this, guys, and we're really looking forward to finally be able to use this gear. Why would you want to use safety gear? It's a given. You have to protect yourself while riding any type of either motorcycles or skateboards or even bicycles. All of those kind of things, you need to have yourself protected to obviously avoid as much damage or injury to yourself when there is an unfortunate event. And we needed to get new gear for our entire family. So you'll see that in this video we're going to be unboxing 4 items of safety gear per person. Let's get straight into it. And the first thing that we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be unboxing our new goggles. So as you can see, we've got 2 youth ones for our kids, and then we've got 2 adult ones for myself and Erika. Let's get into it. So first I'm going to get out the Thor Combat one, the blue one for my boy, whichever one chooses the blue one. As you can see, it's got a nice anti-fog lens, and it's got an excellent color-coded strap. It also has a nice safety pouch inside to keep the goggles safe and from scratching. Okay guys, the next one is the red one. It's a Thor glass. I think it looks excellent as well. Nice red color with the matched color band as well. That's for my other boy, so they'll choose between the blue and the red. Erika's one for her helmet as well. This is also a Thor one with an anti-fog lens as well, and I see it's got some nice, what looks to be like sun protection inside, and it's got a matching black band as well. Erika's one also came with a nice little safety pouch. Mine is a little bit different. I didn't find a Thor one that I liked for myself, so I got myself this Fox one. It's black on black with a little bit of grey, and it's got a matching band as well. That is the goggles done. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be looking at is the knee guards for the family. What I've done is I've bought for myself and Erika the same sort of one, and then the same thing for Joshua and John Luke as well. So I open up the plastic here. You will see that it's a knee and shin guard, and it's the mini range. As you can see, guys, it's the mini range, and they say that's for under 34 kilograms. That is the knee pad, and the one that we got for Joshua or John Luke, it's exactly the same one. Then myself and Erika's, we've got our Fox Launch Shorty knee guard. Got nice straps as well. It's partial down the shin as well, and up until partial to the thigh. I think they are very neat. And then for Erika, it's exactly the same one. just going to take some of this off. Right, so let's look at the elbow guards that I got for us. Okay, so what you would see is again, it's part of the EVS elbow guard range, and it's the mini, and it's again for under 34 kilograms. And then John Luke's will be exactly the same. Erika's from Troy Lee Designs. Let's quickly open them up. Right, so there you can see right, and then obviously the other one will look exactly the same. Let's quickly look at the gloves. So these first ones are Erika's. It's the blue stocker glove, and it's a woman's medium. Right. In mine, it's a Fox Paddocks glove. Right. And then for John Luke, we've got the blue Alpine Stars motocross ones. And for little Joshua, we've got the very mini red Alpine Stars one, extra small. Right, I'm the most excited for the helmets. So let's start with the two boys. Right, so first we've got the one for, this is for Joshua. It's the Fox Rampage. I think this is the 2020 model year. It was on a nice special as well. That's why I got this one, and they actually had the size I needed it in for. So let's open it up. Oh, it's nice and light. Right guys, I think that looks phenomenal. I think that looks excellent. Fox Rampage, it's this weird, almost like a chili color. Got some nice Fox details on it. Really light, it's got some good protection, lots of air vents throughout the helmet that I can see. Got nice open in the front here. Nice airflow will come through here. Really excellent. The helmet inside itself as well, you can feel it's really good quality materials. It's nice and plush, and it's got a click on type of a helmet strap that can obviously be adjusted according to what you need. And it's also got these soft items here that protects you from the harshness of the strap when riding. Okay guys, so that's it. The Fox Rampage. Awesome. Right guys, then the next one we're going to be looking at is John Luke's Urge Pro Company. Okay guys, so this is the Child Delta edition. It's the black one. Okay, so let's open it up. Right. Also a beautiful helmet. Red accents on this one. It's almost like a type of a matte black color. And from Urge Company, like I said earlier. It's got some gold and white on the front lips here, and then also written on by Productions and then vent system. Then there's also a little bit of a company emblem there at the back. Again, you can feel it really feels like good quality helmet. I don't see so many air pockets as I saw on the Fox. There is a couple, but not as many. See, there's one at the back here. Maybe it's the same, just located on different spots on the helmet. This is a beautiful helmet as well. It's also got that nice intake at the front, which is going to be great for summer, but obviously for winter months, not so great. And that is the Urge Pro Delta Child Edition, and that one is for John Luke. We're going to, there was also, I'm not too sure what this is, guys. I'll figure it out. If you maybe know what this is, please. Oh, it looks like an old shoe, maybe from Switzerland, or maybe a boat, I don't know. If you know what this is, guys, please just let me know. I'm not too sure what this is. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I don't know what that is. Alright, then we are going to be looking at Erika's helmet. It is a this is a mountain bike helmet. It is for downhill. It's a downhill helmet. It's the Enduro 3.0 head and brain protection. It's an adult size medium helmet. It's got a 55 to 59 centimeter head ratio, and I see they also talk here about 360 turbine technology. It reduces concussion and it's rational brain injury up to 40%. This is a MIPS helmet, but yeah, looks quite cool. Okay, so let's quickly open it up. Right, ooh, it's got a nice little bag, like a protection bag that it comes in. Okay, after struggling with it too much, I might ask Erika to do it for me. So, alright guys, so there's the helmets out of the bag, or the helmet out of the bag. Yeah, so this definitely looks like a MIPS helmet. Heaps of ventilation holes. Like, I believe that they can click loose as well. Just need to figure it out. I'm guessing that's what this is for. If you guys know, just leave a comment and just guide me of what this is. I'm pretty sure this is a so you can actually take the front face shield off. There you can see, guys, Goliath branding there, and it's got a nice 3.0 Enduro stamp up there in the middle of the helmet at the back. Great cushioning, guys. The cushioning feels absolutely amazing. It's got like a type of a, typically what you will see in a bicycle helmet, a head adjuster to fit your head perfectly. This guy's not going to protect you a lot from the cold, not like the other two that the boys has, but it's definitely a very nice helmet. Got some nice red info there as well. It looks like a sticker. The Goliath helmet. Alright, so that's Erika's one done. And then last but not least, guys, is my helmet as well. So I've also got a downhill mountain bike helmet, and it's from the same company as Erika's, obviously, from the same range as well. It's also the Enduro 3.0. It's also a downhill mountain bike helmet. Let's quickly open it up and see how it looks. Okay guys, so this has got exactly the same terminology that I saw in the other box. This one is the adult large. It's a 59 to 63 centimeter head size, and the color is chili. Right, let's take it out. Lead sticker as well, which is awesome. I know where I'm going to stick this very soon. And it's also out of the shell now, and it's a beauty. So this is mine. As you can see, the shape and everything, the design is exactly like Erika's. It's just got navy blue and what they call chili as the colors. Again guys, exactly the same thing. Nice plush design. Padding is really good. Also seems like you can take the you can click it off this bottom piece. You've got your 3.0 Enduro badging and a lot of layered emblems. So I think that's excellent. It really looks nice, and I think it fits with my outfit. I think it's really going to look good for when we start riding soon. Very excited about this. So that is the unboxing of our new safety gear. Just a quick disclaimer, I bought all of this gear with my own money. It wasn't sent to us to review, or it wasn't sponsored in any way. If you want to know what everything costs, guys, the information will be displayed now. If you like this video, guys, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, guys, ring the notification bell. It would really help the channel out a lot, so I can bring more content like this. I'm John Ray, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.